अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज मैं आपके लिए अकाउंट्स ऑफिसर एसपीएस 8 के पास पेपर्स लाया हूँ जो कि 2000 में मुनकिद हुए थे। और इस पेपर्स में से कुछ जो क्वेश्चन थे वो पाकिस्तान एटॉमिक एनर्जी कमीशन का जो 2016 में हुआ था अकाउंट्स ऑफिसर का पेपर, उस इस पेपर में से कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए गए थे 2016 वाले पेपर में। तो व्यूअर्स, मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आप इस पेपर को ज़रूर देखिए। तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, डबल एंट्री बुक कीपिंग वाज फादर्ड बाय। तो इसका जो फाउंडर था वो था, ऑप्शन सी है, लूकस पेसियोली। इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, फंड्स फ्लो स्टेटमेंट एंड सोर्सेज एंड एप्लीकेशन स्टेटमेंट आर। इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन ए, synonymous. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, depreciation in spirit is similar to। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, amortization. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, बैलेंस शीट इज ऑलवेज प्रीपेयर्ड। इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो ऑप्शन बी है, एज ऑन अ स्पेसिफाइड डेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन इंश्योरेंस द फॉलोइंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट्स आर प्रीपेयर्ड। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, consolidated for fire, marine and accidents, etc. Next question is, partners in Pakistan can today be fixed at the following numbers. इसका correct answer है option A, 20. Next question is, flexible budget is a budget with the following features. इसका correct answer है option A, changes with volume of production. Next question is, quick ratio can be computed as under। इसका जो correct answer है वो option C, current assets divided by current liabilities. Next question is, in straight line method of depreciation, the written down value of a fixed asset will be at the end of the life of the asset as under। इसका correct answer है option B, rupees 0. Next question is, sales budget must be prepared। इसका correct answer है option C, based on sales forecast of market. Next question is, consolidation of subsidiary accounts in the balance sheet of an unlisted holding company is at present in Pakistan। इसका correct answer है option C, required. Next question is, retained earning is synonymous to। इसका correct answer option A, accumulated profit and loss accounts. Next question is, the requirement of an audit report for a banking company in Pakistan is under। इसका correct answer है option C, under A and B above. Next question is, deferred taxation is। इसका correct answer है option C, part of owner's equity. Next question is, investment corporation of Pakistan follows। इसका correct answer है option C, none of these. Next question is, director's report is in respect of financial report constituent। इसका correct answer है option A, mandatory for a limited company. Next question is, every limited company in Pakistan is required by law to include the following along with financial reports। इसका correct answer है option B, chairman's review. Next question is, cash budget excludes the following। इसका correct answer है option A, non-cash items. Next question is, NGOs are legally required to। इसका correct answer है option A, prepare accounts in a prescribed manner under the law. Next question is, fixed cost। इसका correct answer है option B, never changes even if production capacity is doubled. Next question is, conversion cost is। इसका correct answer है option C, labor cost plus overhead cost. Next question is, process costing is relevant to। इसका correct answer है option A, cement industry. Next question is, operating profit is। इसका correct answer है option C, profit after deducting normal operating expenses including depreciation. Next question is, a good cost accounting system is। इसका correct answer है option C, if it enables management to increase productivity and rationalize cost structure. Next question is, verification includes। इसका correct answer है option C, none of the above. Next question is, stratified audit sample means। इसका correct answer है option A, randomly selected items for audit. Next question is, internal control is totally synonymous with। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, नन ऑफ above. Next question is audit of a bank is generally conducted through. इसका correct answer है option A, routine checking. Next question is current ratio is calculated as. Option C is correct, current assets divided by current liabilities. Next question is books of original entry are called. इसका correct answer है option C, journal. Next question is for preparing balance sheets, prepaid expenses are shown as part of. Option C is correct, assets. Next question is unpaid and unrecorded expenses are called. Correct answer is option B, accrued expenses. Next question is amount cash or other assets removed from business by owner is called drawing. Option B is correct. Next question is under the diminishing balance method, depreciation amount is. Option C is correct, expenditure. Next question is users of accounting information include. Option D is correct, all of these. Like the tax authorities, investor, creditors. Option D is correct, all of these. Next question is the business form in which the owners is personally liable is the. Option D is correct, partnership and proprietorship. Next question is the investment of personal assets by the owner. Option A is correct, increases total assets and increases owner's equity. Next question is all of the following are forms of organization except. Option C is correct, retailer. Next question is economic resources of a business that are expected to be of benefit in the future are referred to as. Option D is correct, assets. Next question is an owner investment of land into the business would. Option C is correct, increase owner's equity. Next question is a cash purchase of supplies would. Option C is correct, have no effect on total assets. Next question is an owner investment of each into the business would. Option A is correct, increase assets. Next question is the payment of rent each month for the office space would. Option A is correct, decrease total assets. Next question is real accounts are related to. Option A is correct, assets. Next question is which one of the following accounts would usually have a debit balance? Option A is correct, cash. Next question is quick assets include which of the following? Option D is correct, only A and B, like cash and accounts receivable. Next question is net income plus operating expenses is equal to. Option D is correct, gross profit. Next question is the measurable value of an alternative use of resources is referred to as. Option A is correct, an opportunity cost. Next question is a quantitative expression of management objectives is an. Option C is correct, budget. Next question is a cost center is. इसका ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट है एनी लोकेशन और डिपार्टमेंट विच इनकर्स कॉस्ट. तो व्यूज ये थे मेरे 50 एमसीक्यूज जो कि अकाउंट ऑफिसर एसपीजेड के लिए पास पेपर्स में आए थे. ये अक्सर औकात पेपर्स में लगते रहते हैं क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि 2016 का जो पेपर हुआ था अकाउंट ऑफिसर का पीएसी के लिए, तो उसमें से बहुत से क्वेश्चंस लगे थे अकाउंट ऑफिसर के पेपर के लिए. तो व्यूअर्स अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आप अपकमिंग वीडियोस हासिल करते रहें इसी तरह पास पेपर से रिलेटेड. अब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.